Ayun o, magandang araw mga ka-RF Online Next. Okay, ako uli si Kuya Anri06 and today we are going to learn about increasing your combat power through one of the most recent updates. So without further ado, okay guys, let me show you something. Okay, so pag pumunta ka dito sa equipment, makikita ninyo itong last part next to the accessories and artifacts. The last part is the expansion, and sa expansion makikita nyo meron na akong anti-gravity drive na bound. So weapon attack 67 ang idadagdag nya, max HP 1000, 1005, and max attack hit rate is 20. Crit damage reduction is 5%. Pwede mo rin itong i-upgrade sa future once na maging common na yung expansion upgrade kit. Okay, so paano ba ito nakukuha? Simple lang guys. Okay, punta kayo dito sa city. Okay, sa Bilato City, Cora, or sa Akravan, or sa Acrecia City. Meron din dun sa kabilang continent. Pero dito tayo ngayon sa Bilato. So, hanapin nyo lang yung Adventure Coin Merchant. Okay, click natin siya. Okay, once you click the Adventure Coin Merchant, you will see Nether Material Synthesizer worth 150,000 Adventure Coins. So, tignan natin kung ano siya. Ito yung itsura niya. Okay, Nether Material Synthesizer bound. Okay, a material configurator used by the Nethers to produce massive war machines like Xenogazer, etc., etc., etc. So, ito ay importanteng component sa pagka-craft ng mga bagay gaya ng anti-gravity drive. Okay, so pwede rin tayo makakuha dito o mag-craft dito ng blueprint ng MAU. Okay, this is Epic MAU, pero sa future yan. Okay, kasi kailangan mo dyan 15 pieces nito. And unfortunately, the Nether Material Synthesizer could only be purchased once a month. Okay, so maghihintay ka ng 15 months just to craft the blueprint. So medyo matagal-tagal yun. So instead, hintayin nyo na lang na magkaroon ng drops nito sa level 60, if I'm not mistaken, 65 or 68. Like that. So medyo matagal-tagal pa bago maging common dito sa RF Online Next community. Alright, so okay, so pag nakabili na kayo niyan, all you need to do is go to craft, and then expansion. Okay, hanapin nyo lang dyan yung drive mismo. Wait, where is it? Hanapin natin siya. Wait. Drive. Okay. So, meron tayo dito anti-gravity drive. So, I think these ones are the more advanced drives. So, pag anti-gravity drive, hindi ko makita. So, anyway, kung hindi nyo makita, katulad ko, hindi ko na makita kanina. All you need to do is click the item. Halimbawa, since wala tayong item sa inventory, ito ay i-click natin. Diba, ito yung gusto mong i-craft. May crafting materials, anti-gravity drive. Click mo lang yan. Nasa material pala siya. Okay, so once you click the material, okay, click the anti-gravity drive, and then gagamitin mo na yung Nether Material Synthesizer to craft the drive itself. So it cost 100,000 credits. Okay, so 100% naman ang probability rate nito. So dito magiging problema once na mabili nyo na siya dun sa Adventure Coin Merchant. Okay guys, so ang taas ng boost nito sa CP. Tignan natin yung boost niya sa CP. Okay, tatanggalin ko yung drive ko. Let's say that I will not do this. Inventory siya, remove. Okay, so I have 46,000 449 combat power. And once I equip the drive, equip. Yan, no? So 1,077 CP ang mag-i-increase sa inyo, including your damage. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, ang laki ng tinalon, 821 na yung total attack ko. Okay, free to play yan, ha? So, ayan. I hope that itong video to ay makatulong sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at sana sabay-sabay tayong lumakas. Take care and have a good day. Bye-bye!